Hey everyone, welcome back to photography. We are in week 4. So for your weekly preview here, we're starting off the week with 2 lessons that are geared towards smartphone photography. These videos give you some tips and tricks to consider and possibly try out on your own. And then later on in the week, you guys do have a parts of the camera quiz. Feel free to reference last week's lesson and last week's assignments to freshen up on that before you take it. And it's just knowing the different parts. It gives you a word bank and it also gives you some clues at the bottom. And then for your assignment this week, your project is to go out and explore. Really going out and just kind of experimenting with your camera, really focusing on just taking photographs for about 30 minutes and then submitting your 3 favorite photos. All right, guys, if you have any questions throughout the week, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I look forward to seeing your photos and have a great week. Take care.